Crude oil and net gas both posted a very good rise as we expected and predicted yesterday. We had recommended that oil and net gas both are looking bullish, and see what oil has done. It has moved towards 69.2 while net gas has hit 2.55, 2.56 levels and is still not showing any signs of reversal. What to expect today from oil and gas? Can we expect this rise to continue? Can we expect more bulls here in oil and gas? Can we stay bullish? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil WTI, followed with that gas. If you look at oil on the hourly chart, see after the drop here, it has continued to trade bullish. It has hit the highs at 69, 69.2, and see it has come down. It is still trading above the critical resistance at 68.5, 68.6. Now I have mentioned earlier in my updates yesterday, day before yesterday, that once it stays above this zone we can look forward to more bullishness, and now it appears once it stays above 69.2 you can look forward to a move towards 69.6 and then 70.2 and 71 levels. Yes, this is possible. Look at the moving averages, these have crossed over, looking bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD here is retraced and now trying to retrace a little on the downside. A crossover is seen here, though it does not mean that it cannot rise further, but right now it is looking downwards. RSI is staying flat, coming to on the 2-hour charts. Yes, after staying bearish, we have seen now a crossover here in the moving averages, and also now 100 period moving average giving it a slight resistance. So if you see oil is staying above 69, you can initiate a buying entry at 69, expect 69.3, 69.6, and then we can look forward to 70.2 and 71 levels very soon. The stochastic here has dropped a bit. The MACD here is also trying to converge, but it is not yet crossed over. It is still staying bullish. RSI is flat, just near to overbought zone. Coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, the observation is similar. After retracing here, we can see now trying to reverse. On the upside, we have to watchful here at around 69. See, forming the base, we have now seen oil trading in this bullish channel. The support levels here at 68 are very strong, and I will say till 67.3 it has got extremely stronger support here. As long as it stays above 67.3 and 67 zone, do not trade this as bearish. Yesterday it was 66.5. Now we are moving a little higher for the day till 67. You should not be treating this as bearish. What has happened after the rise? It is just consolidating. We can see it's trading with slight retracement before it looks over to a reversal here. Stochastic flat near to top. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour chart, see when it was bearish, it is always reversing from the 20 period moving average. This time it has moved towards 50 period moving average, and it appears there is scope for it to move further towards the 100 period average, which means it has the scope for it to move towards 71. But I can say right now it is getting definitely stronger resistance at around 69, 69.2. This zone is going to remain critical here for crude oil for the day. If you look at the formation here, see be watchful at the current levels. After the drop retracement, then a drop retracement. Now it does not deliver a move like this where it reverses completely. Let's watch out at the current levels. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI is staying flat. Coming, look at the daily charts, two greener candles, and now at a zone where it has to decide the direction it wants to take. Specifically, once it stays above 69, 69.2, I will look forward to a move towards this zone, which is right now having the peak at around 71. So once it stays bullish, we can look forward to a move towards first 69.6, then 70.2, and then 71 levels very soon. The stochastic rising here, the MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI has come out of the oversold zone. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. On the daily charts, I will recommend you to buy here at 69 itself, but then be watchful at 69.2, 69.3 first target, 69.6 second, 70.1, 70.2 the third, and then we can look forward to a move towards 71.2, 71.4. The strongest resistance 72.4, the next strongest resistance here. Right now I can see it has come down towards slightly overbought zone, so the move on the upside might remain within a narrow zone, you can say, and the bulls might try to trade sideways before it looks forward to a breakout. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at 68 point. Where see, on the downside we are just trying to capture a little of retracement. So if it stays below 68.4, we can look forward to 68.2, 67.85, and 67.5, 67.6. The next support below which you can expect it to move towards 67.2, 66.8. The extremely stronger support. I do not see it breaking this, but yes, if it draws below 67.2, 66.8 zone, stay short for 66.5. Below 66.5, it is going to be treated for a reversal and a major drop can be seen, chances of which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, nat gas beautifully moved towards 2.56 levels. Rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise again. Waiting for the moving average to climb up. It could retrace a little. 2.5 to 2.5 zone is achievable. Hitting the zone, it can bounce back again. So yes, I will still not treat net gas as bearish or bullish. I will say till 2.5, 2.48 zone, we should not be treating net gas as bearish here. Yes, this is going to be the stronger support here. Now see what is happening after the rise. It is just consolidating, waiting for the moving average to climb up, take the support, and then rise again. Also, another way to look at it here is after the drop, it is under retracement, and now once you see it is staying below 2.52, you can take a selling entry, but then 2.5, 2.48 are going to remain extremely stronger support. Also, if you look at the move here, every rise is been offset with a slight drop. So let's see if it retraces. Stochastic rising here, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell, RSI is flat at top. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart with the support at 2.52, it is still looking upwards. We can possibly expect it to keep moving towards 2.58, 2.6 zone, which is going to be a greater resistance here. So if you see it is staying about 2.55, 2.56 zone today, stay bullish. We can look forward to 2.5 at 2.6, and after that we are looking forward to 2.72 levels very soon. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is still just coming out of the overbought zone and still staying very near to the top. If you look at the 3-hour chart, see on the 3-hour charts, this is the channel in which it is trading. The highs of the channel here, if you look at, if you just connect the dots, the highs are beautifully aligned now, and the lows, if you connect, the lows are now till towards 2.45. So as long as net gas stays about 2.45 in the on the daily charts, you should not be treating this as bearish. Very clear. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, divergent, bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to 4, and before I give you the 4-hour charts, before we look into the further time frames, if you want to learn this art, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade it, join the Signals channel on Telegram. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the 4-hour charts, rise, retracement, and rise again. This is a breakout move which is going to continue here for a while, and now it has come down to the next resistance zone. So once it stays about 2.55, we can aim for 2.585, 2.6 levels as the next targets, and then beyond 2.6 we can look forward to a greater move towards 2.63, 2.68, 2.72, and then 2.8 levels. uh, right now also it is trying to trade with modest bullishness. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD rising, divergent, bullish. RSI is also back to overbought zone. Coming to on the daily chart, see, first look at the move here, the drop here towards 1.8 and below, then the rise, stronger rise here, then 1.96 now, and now it is back to the retracement path here. Also, if you look at the formation here, you will find slightly higher highs and slightly higher lows. So this could possibly mean a complete reversal in the gas prices for the near future. If you look at the moving averages, these are now looking upwards, staying bullish, but and this is also formed a stronger base. So below 2.45, it is 2.3 levels. which is going to remain the critical milestone for gas to break past. And recall, yesterday I mentioned till 2.25 levels, as long as net gas stays above 2.25, we should not be treating net gas as bearish. What has happened? We have seen it now moving towards 2.56 levels, almost close to a 10% rise is what we have seen in the week here. And thus now once it stays about 2.560, 2.58 and 2.6 zone is going to be critical. Once it stays above this, more bullishness may prevail. The stochastic here is though overbought, but the MACD is rising and the RSI is rising. So looking at this very simple buy 2.56, expect 2.585, 2.6, first target 2.62 next, and then we can look forward to 2.7 levels very soon, and 2.772 very good resistance, and then 2.8 is going to be the next milestone. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 2.52, expect 2.5, 2.48, 2.45. Once it draws below 2.45, more bearishness is going to be seen. You can look forward to 2.38, 2.4 as the next, and then 2.35, 2.3 as the last. I do not see it breaking 2.3 any point of time soon now. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my signals channel. Join the mentorship batch. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That's also going to add much more meaning to your trading decisions with the US session. So do press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.